Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to edit Up Your Music promo templates. This applies to any volume inside of the collection of Up Your Music promo templates. So let's dive right inside. We have our templates in front of us. You have the square format, which is for feeds, and you also have the long format, which is for stories and reels. And if you want to take it onto TikTok, this is the format you want to be using, the long one. The square is for your feeds on like Facebook or IG. So just keep note of that. All right. So we have all our templates here. Let's go ahead and dive into the first one. So some of these templates are more layered than others. Okay, so I want you to take note of that. And layers means that you'll have more things on top of each other in order to get to it. So for instance, this has more layers. This one right here, 13, more than 15. So let's go into 13 and see what it looks like. All right, so 13 you have right here. Let's play it. All right, just like so, you can see you have a layer right here inside of the vehicle. This is a cool customization option. You also have the television, which is another layer. The text is another layer as well. So all these things require you to move things out the way in order to get to it. My advice is just click on the background, the very last layer, and just drag the cursor to the left to see what's hiding underneath. All right, and usually what you want to do is if you want to change this video, just bring in here on the left hand side your uploads. You're going to go to videos and say you wanted to use something else, right? You can go ahead and just drag it right into it without having to readjust it, without having to resize it. It already applies to the template, just like so. So let's play that. All right, so it looks like the car has this really cool motion graphic inside of it, just like so. All right, so if you wanted to add a photo, you could do the same thing. It's all up to you. And as you can see, that only changed the layer of the car. What about the TV, right? So this is where you keep dragging back that layer. And you'll notice that this is now revealed to you. So you can do the same thing. And you can pull up something else and just drag it right inside. It's already adjusted for it to fit that screen. So if you play around with it, like if you want to make it bigger, you could, but you'll run into some other issues regarding sizing. So it's all up to you, just like so. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, and that's pretty cool. And I think you know right now how to edit the titles. You just click on it and type in whatever you need. Colors is same thing. Go here to the text color. You can change that by clicking the plus sign here, or you can pick from these color selections as well. And if you want to change the font, just click on it and you click right here at the top. It says heading now. That's the font name. And you can go ahead and find the ones that fit your need. All right, you have this streaming logo platform here as well. You can delete it, keep it. Anything here is 100% customizable, so feel free to make it yours. All right, guys, so I'm going to bring this back to what it was. And that's the more complex template inside of this collection here, this volume. So let's go back and let's pick one that's a little easier. Let's go with the first one. Okay. All right, so now that we have this easier one to edit, you can go ahead and do the same thing. It applies as drag and drop, so you want to put an image in there, just like so. Okay. That one's a little bit easier. It didn't have a layer sitting on top of it, so that's always good. And let's play this to see what it looks like. All right. And if you want to bring in your music video, remember that with your music video, that video will have audio, right? So that audio you're going to use for this template. You don't have to drag in a separate MP3 of that same song, okay? So this all varies on what you want to use it for. If you want to make it a music video promo, just drag in your, let's see here, a music video, like so. All right, this is a music video and it has audio already playing from it. So if you want to control the audio from that, you just click it, and here at the top you'll see audio, and you can manage the audio like so. All right, here's your volume, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Okay, so we're going to leave it on 100. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, and let's say you wanted to edit this video, you wanted to showcase or highlight a certain part of the music video, you can go to this trimmer right here and click on this little purple cursor and bring it to where you want to showcase it, just like so, and hit done. If you hit done and play here at the top right, that's what it's going to look like. It's going to play that clip that you want to showcase. All right, so this can be as long as 4 minutes, as long as your music video, or it can also be as short as you want it to be, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, etc. And this background is also a video. So if you've noticed, the background moves. And it will play alongside your video as well. So take note of this. You do need, if you say you wanted to play the entire music video, you want to make sure that music video is longer. Okay, so the duration of that video needs to be longer than the duration of this clip here in the back. All right, because if you have, say, for instance, a music video that is 10 seconds long, so let's click it and let's make it 10 seconds so I can show you. All right, let's make it 10 seconds. Our video here in the background, if we click it, it shows a 3 minute and 45 second duration. So if I play that, it's going to showcase the video in a loop. This video right here, the one that is your music video. Watch. See how it looped? So if you want to showcase this template for, say, 15 seconds or 10 seconds max on Instagram, you want to also click that background layer and make it the same duration as your music video. All right, so if it was 10 seconds your music video, the background video needs to be 10 seconds as well. So let's make that like so, and you'll have your 10-second clip. Just like so, you made it. So that's all set to go, guys. Pretty straightforward editing these. That it has to be the hardest one was this car one because it has multiple layers. You may also run into some of these Spotify ones where you have some spinning images. Let's go to one right now. Let's go use this one. Okay. All right, so now that we have this one open, let's play it so I can show you what I'm talking about. So you have 2 spinning images. So you have a video spinning on this side and an image spinning on this side. You also have a video clip in the background. So you have more layers to work with here. And once again, if you wanted to make this a 10-second full clip for your Instagram to showcase your music, a little snippet of it, you have to make sure that background is 10 seconds long. Let's make sure that that's 10 seconds long here just by clicking on it and by adjusting it right here for 10 seconds. We hit done. All right, so let's make sure that our music video here by clicking on it is also 10 seconds. Just like so. And the image has nothing to do with it because it's not a video. This only applies to videos. All right, and if you want to change any of these text options here, you can go ahead and do so by double clicking and naming it everything that you need it to be. All right, guys, so that is another example of how to edit a more complicated, more layered version of a template. Okay, so go ahead, have fun with these templates, guys. It's super useful and helpful when you are releasing music, so make it yours and enjoy it. Thanks.